If you're planning to install carpet over your Wunda Rapid Response underfloor heating system, it's essential to follow specific guidelines to ensure optimal performance and longevity. First, prepare the perimeter of the room. Depending on the depth of your chosen rapid response boards, you'll need to install either a 20 or 16mm high batten around the room's perimeter. This provides a secure base for your gripper rods, preventing any accidental damage of the underfloor heating boards or pipes. The combined thermal resistance of your carpet, underlay, and any intermediate layer must not exceed 2.5 TOG. All Wunda Rapid Response boards must be firmly fixed in position, and a pressure test must be conducted to ensure the integrity of the pipes before being covered. Ensure that all pipes are securely seated within their channels. Thoroughly vacuum the entire surface to remove any dust or debris. The system is now ready for your chosen method to create a stable, smooth level surface. We recommend using either the Wunda Duo board system or a self-leveling compound. You can choose your preferred method based on your individual circumstances. To find out more, see the Wunda Rapid Response Floor Coverings information document. For further help and advice, head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.